Welcome to Soterion, the leading provider of business-centric GRC solutions. In this video, we will demonstrate the capabilities of our Elevated Rights Manager. Every organization requires certain users to periodically be assigned elevated access in SAP or on an ad hoc basis to carry out business-critical or sensitive activities. This process is commonly known as the Firefighter Process. Ensuring that an organization has an effective emergency access management process is a crucial control. By using Soterion's Elevated Rights Manager, you can ensure that these users are not assigned elevated access on a permanent basis. Instead, the access is only assigned when required and in a controlled manner. Access is granted only with the necessary business approvals, and detailed elevated rights activity logs are sent via workflow to the relevant business owners for review. Soterion displays the transaction codes that have been executed in a business-friendly manner using powerful business process flow diagrams. This makes it easier for reviewers to understand the actions that were performed. Additionally, all associated change documents can be viewed with a special focus on sensitive field changes. Soterion's Elevated Rights Manager not only automates an organization's emergency access management process, but it also ensures that the business review of the elevated rights activity is easy to consume for non-technical users. This helps to ensure quicker and more informed decision-making. Take control of your emergency access management process using Soterion's Elevated Rights Manager. For more information, contact us at info@soterion.com.